Welcome! I'm Jody McCraney-Ruscio from Glass with the Past, and I'm here at Curious Mondo to tell you about an even cooler class. This is my favorite class so far. This is a much anticipated building your own stand and display class. And I don't know if you have anticipated it as much as I have, but this is one that I'm super excited to teach. It's going to be fantastic. So we are going to cover a wide variety of things. We're going to look at ways to make floating displays with glass, how to mount your glass with a floating display, how to mount your glass on panels, how to prepare panels. We're going to talk about fabricating our own stands with aluminum. Here's some of the raw stock right here. This is what we start with. We're going to talk about building our own stands out of different kinds of wood. Here are some that that I built. We have these, we have frames, we have displays that you found displays that you can adapt to your artwork. Everybody knows I'm a huge thrift store fan, and you can always find cool things at thrift stores. We're going to be building our own displays using acrylic. We're going to use some of these pressed glass blocks. We're going to be using countertop samples. And as a bonus, displays are not just ways to mount your artwork. You also need displays for shows. So we're going to talk about how to make displays like your own jewelry displays. We're going to look at making displays for things like wine bottle stoppers. Check that out. These are really popular at shows, and particularly gift shows. So I cannot wait to show you all of these cool things that you can do with your artwork. And it will be like walking through the hardware store with me, and we'll talk about every kind of tool that we need, and we'll build all of these stands right on camera. It will be fantastic. So sign up now, go right to the button and sign up now, and I'll see you soon.